Hello everyone. We are here with the Charger today because, well, it's time to get the engine and transmission reinstalled. I've done some prep work, had to do something to the transmission I wasn't planning on, but let's go check it out. Alright, engine's right there. I've already got the motor mounts, the motor mount brackets installed and the new motor mounts. One of mine was bad. Flex plates on. Oil pressure sending unit for my Dakota Digital dash is installed. Manifolds are installed. Replaced most of my plug wires. I thought I had a complete set of these gray. I thought I had a complete set of these gray ones, but I don't. But I had enough to replace all of my bad ones. I did have a couple of boots that were actually just deteriorated and just not good. But these two are still good. I will be getting another set of plug wires, just not right now. And I've also got, this is my temperature sending unit for my Dakota Digital. I've got it right there, and I've got two plugs for this. I just got to grab them. I'm leaving this sensor installed. Mostly, I think I should be able to use it for an electric fan if I wanted to. So I'm going to leave that hooked up. I think that's good there. And the oh yeah, I'm gonna share a picture, or I'll just do it when the engine's in. But I was able to pick up. I went to the Indy swap meet and was able to pick up these. This wasn't from Indy, but it's from a buddy of mine that had them, and basically traded the Charger's green console since I already got the new black one. I'll show that in a little bit. I got these Mopar Performance chrome valve covers, and they look so nice. Also got something else that is equally awesome and nice. But my neighbor Steven here, impeccable timing. We're about to get this engine and transmission stabbed in. You see, I got the torque converter fully seated. What I had to do, I had to swap the input shaft because it had the wrong splines on it. But got it in. It's all good now. I got these various brackets and stuff, and the linkage on the transmission cleaned up and painted. So those are all ready. I got the torque converter pre-filled with probably about 1.5 quarts of fluid. So it's ready, but let's get started. Let's go ahead and get the engine mated up to the transmission and get going on it. Alright, engine and transmission are mated together. We had a little bit of fussiness with the making sure the torque converter was back all the way. We thought 2 or 3 times it was back all the way, and then it finally went back all the way. So but we stopped before we did any damage, so everything's fine. And time to take the hood off and put the front on my ramps. That's going in. Well, the engine is about 80% in. Had to get a little creative. Steven actually had to get up on the cowl right there and push the tail shaft down. But so we got it in there now, and he's going to get his lower profile jack that we can put underneath the transmission in line with the engine. So when we push the engine back, the transmission rolls with it. For a little bit, I was afraid we were going to have to stab these two in separately, which I was not looking forward to. But we got the hard part done. Now we just need to finish lining stuff up. We've relocated because I don't have enough room to hook it up center and have all that. So actually, I can hook up the leveler now. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hook up the leveler now, and that way we can get stuff positioned easily. Okay. That'll work. I know he's going to grab that, but he's just across the street. So yeah, I'm going to hook up the leveler. I should be able to hook up my boom extension right there. Should be okay for just this short distance, this short. But yeah, okay. Between me and Steven, we definitely can figure stuff out. So yeah, I'm gonna hook up the leveler. I'm gonna hook up my extension boom, and then we'll be in business. Well, it is back together. The hood is on, and I think I got it adjusted right. And I've got the engine transmission are bolted together. I only have one flex plate, one torque converter bolt in right now. But the engine and transmission are bolted to the car, and it's looking freaking awesome. I am loving this. Now, sadly, the charger will not be fired up today. I still got the drive shaft out. I'm changing up my transmission lines a little bit, and I got to wait on a couple of fittings to get in. But sadly, will not be firing up in this video. As much as I want to hear it, I do have the starter hooked up. But none of the engine wiring is in, and I still want to make the engine wiring a lot better. I got some special zip ties on the way that should push right into these wire holes right here and hold the wires up. And be using my nylon wire loom and everything to make everything look as pretty as possible. Pulling up the wires is where they need to be. And right here, I will be installing a power distribution block for my power connection, so I don't have 15 things going on the battery cable. It'll just be one thing going over to the power, and then everything going over to that. But it's looking good. I am loving this chrome valve covers and air cleaner. It's just looking awesome. I still need to get a breather for this valve cover where that hose is going to go to. But I've got the fuel line loosely back on here. Still got it clamped down there because I don't have the hose clamp tight yet. But I've got that tight. That's going up here. That's loose up there because I still need to get the carburetor gaskets. But yeah, not sure how long this video is going to be. Probably not going to be very long. But engine transmission are reinstalled and making progress. Huge shout out to my neighbor Steven. He's awesome, helped me out with this, saved me a lot of headache. With me and him and me together, we found a way to get this engine and transmission in without putting them in separately. It involved sitting on the cowl and pushing down, but engine and transmission are reinstalled. Shift linkage is hooked up. Don't have my kick down hooked up yet. I need to hook that up, but making progress. That's going to be it for this video. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.